Hi, this is Chaitra Ashwath Narayana, and I'm part of EForT project Spring 2019. Product owner for the project is Dr. Masood Sajadi. So this user story is basically created for adding the pages for the chart basics, Forex page, and also describing the major currency pairs that would be supported in the Forex website. So let's move on to Jira to get in more details on the user story. So the chart it basically contains the chart that would explain the data being represented. The Forex page has about what the Forex actually is and shows up the currency that's supported in the Forex page. And the major currency pairs are basically types of currencies that would be supported. So let's move on to the Visual Studio to see the creation of those pages. Here have the controller. The controllers, we have the education controller, where we have described all the types of pages that we want to do it. It's like what is Forex page and the chart basics page, that's in turn calling up the view page. And we also have created a chart controller where this is just basically to control all the different charts that would be inbuilt in our website. So we have different types of currencies that would be supported, and same as the view pages that would be that is created under the education tab. We have the currency pairs trade, where we have explained about the different currencies that's been supported. You can see we have all the different type of currencies that's supported, and we have what is the Forex page. So this is basically explains what is Forex and what are the currencies that's supported in the Forex. And we have the chart basics page that basically tells the different types of charts that's available, giving a graphical representation of the same. So let's move on and run the website to see how these pages look. I will log into the website now. I'm log in. So here we have the education tab, and when we get into this education tab, we have what is Forex. Just hit on what is Forex, and we can see that we have a video that is implemented explains what Forex is, and we have the details of all the Forex details that's available here. And we also have a table that is described here to show what are the different currencies that will be supported. And if you want to learn more on how the currencies are and how do you trade it about the currency pairs, we can just get into this particular link on the page, and we have the list of currencies that's available, especially the major currency pairs. And we also have the global forex market hours. This is a chart that shows up the same. And if we just get into these currency pairs, we have in detail as in how much what can you sell and what's the buy rate and what's the selling rate. And we also have a placeholder for the charts, and this would be implemented with the real-time charts once we have that done. And this describes the details of the currency type and gives the details of all those. And we also have the pivot points available, and we'll also have another chart that will be implemented here once we have the real-time charts ready. And we can just if you want to know about what more pivot points is, if you just get into it, this opens up to the different page where it explains what are the pivot points. So this was for one of the currencies, and the same has been implemented for all the major currencies. The details have been added up, and we just have a placeholder for the real-time charts to be implemented. this is for the Forex page what we have, and we also have a chart basics page that has been developed. So this basically tells about the charts that's implemented and gives an overall idea of all the graphical representation of the charts that's available, as in how it basically works. So we have this two types of charts that's implemented into the chart basics page. And we also have different tabs under the trader courses. If it's a beginner, this is basically for a basic trader, so it would be the beginner. But if you just get into it, it's going to navigate back to our Forex pages. And this in turn will take you to the type of currencies that you want to trade. And we also have another tab that's been implemented here, that's trader theme. So this basically tells what are the trading concepts. And just hitting on those, it's again going to navigate to the same Forex we have developed. So this gives an idea of what is Forex and what are the currencies that we are supporting into it. So this is all for this story. For any other details, please contact the product owner, Dr. Masood Sajadi. Thank you.